Valentine's Day is just around the corner, and this is the perfect time to turn your favorite moments into a beautiful love story. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a fully customized Valentine's Day love video using Filmora 15 desktop version. We'll be using Valentine-themed transitions, effects, stickers, and templates that are specially designed for love stories. Whether you're celebrating love for your partner, your family, your pet, or even yourself, this tutorial will walk you through every step so you can create a polished, emotional Valentine's edit from start to finish. Let's start by opening Filmora Desktop and creating a new project. Once the project opens, the first thing you want to check is your aspect ratio. For this video, we're using 16:9, which is perfect for long-form YouTube or desktop viewing. Setting the correct aspect ratio from the beginning helps avoid cropping issues later and keeps your video looking clean and professional. Next, import the photos or video clips you want to use for your love story. These could be moments with your partner, family memories, cute pet clips, or even personal moments that represent self-love. Drag your clips into the timeline and arrange them in a natural story order. Think of it like telling a short story with a beginning, middle, and ending. Don't worry about perfection yet. Right now, the goal is simply to build the foundation of your Valentine's story.
Now comes the fun part. Filmora has special Valentine-themed assets that are marked with a heart icon. Go into the Effects, Transitions, Stickers, or Template section and look for assets with the Valentine heart symbol. These are designed specifically for love-themed projects. You can preview each asset before using it, which makes it easier to choose the ones that match the mood of your story, whether it's romantic, warm, playful, or emotional. Start by adding Valentine-themed transitions between your clips to create smooth and emotional flow. Drag a transition between two clips and adjust its duration so it doesn't feel too fast or distracting. Next, add romantic visual effects such as light leaks, soft glows, or warm overlays. These effects help enhance the emotional tone of the video. You can also place animated heart stickers or love elements on specific moments. Resize them, reposition them, and adjust opacity so they complement the video instead of overpowering it.
To make your Valentine's video more expressive, add text to share a message. This could be something simple like Happy Valentine's Day or a short love quote. Choose a soft, romantic font and place the text where it's easy to read without blocking important visuals. Finally, add background music that matches the mood of your story. Lower the music volume slightly so it supports the visuals without becoming distracting. Before exporting, take a moment to preview your entire video from start to finish. Look out for timing issues, abrupt transitions, or effects that feel too strong. You can make small color adjustments to give your video a warm and cohesive look. Once everything feels right, export your video using high-quality settings. And just like that, you've created a complete Valentine's Day love story using Filmora 15. So now you have a complete blueprint for creating your own Valentine's Day video. To bring this idea to life, make sure you have full access to Filmora 15. You can get it using the first link in the description or the pinned comment. Full access unlocks all the Valentine-themed assets and creative tools we've used in this video, making it easy for you to create your own beautiful Valentine love story. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial inspires you to create something meaningful this Valentine's Day using Wondershare Filmora.